It's the summer season, everything is faster these days, or has it been in and out of stores?
Right.
But let's say we're not moving that fast. We're doing a little grocery shopping and we slip and fall.
Right.
Do they automatically have to pay up if I slip my ankle?
You know,
if I hurt my ankle tripping
right.
up?
You know, a lot of people think that, and a lot of people just naturally assume that if you have an accident, a slip and fall or a trip and fall or something of that nature on someone else's property, whether it be a store, you know, grocery store, a restaurant, or someone else's home, that the other side is automatically at fault, and that could not be further from the truth. You have to show negligence on the other side, on the store, the homeowner. You have to show that they did something wrong. They did something that they shouldn't have done, or they didn't do something that they should have done. In other words, you know, let's say that there's water on the floor. Well, how did that water get there? Did they know it was there, or did it, you know, or did they cause the water to be there? Basically there's three ways you can hold a store owner responsible. Number one, that they knew about a condition and they didn't do anything about it. You know, a broken step, water on the floor, grease on the floor, whatever it is. And so they knew it was there, they didn't do anything about it. Or number two, it was on the floor or on the ground so long that they should have known. Stores have a duty to, that's why you see employees kind of canvassing the store from time to time. They have to, what they call sweeps. They sweep the store every 30 minutes or so to make sure there's nothing on the floor. So if you can prove that that condition had been on the floor for, say, more than 30 minutes or more, then absolutely they should have known that the condition was there, and so therefore you're going to have a claim. The third way that you can prove a store owner responsible is that if the store or one of its employees created and caused the defective condition that caused you to fall. And so, in other words, one of the employees, or let's say a waiter at a restaurant, drops something, and then 2 seconds later somebody comes by and slips and falls. Normally, you would have to prove it was on there for 30 minutes, but if an employee caused that problem to be there, they're automatically going to be responsible.